Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to bring up Crosshair X. All right. So first up, you want to go ahead and open up Steam. Make sure that the Steam app is running in the background. Now go and find your Crosshair X. Okay. Make sure that it is opened. And once it's opened, you can find it right here under your taskbar. Okay. If not, you could find it right here on the right side as well. Okay. So open it up and make sure that it is not hidden, or you can just go ahead and toggle it on once the game opens. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it in a game. Let's say I'm going to open up Valorant right here. All right, as you can see here, I have my game opened. So let's just go ahead and adjust the view right here. Now it's on full screen. Okay, now when I go ahead and go to a range, and as you can see here, as you might have noticed, we have the Crosshair X right here available. Okay, it's not going to go out, or it's not going to be disabled unless you disable it. Okay, and as you can see here, my game only got a tiny crosshair, but if you want to as well, you could go ahead and disable the crosshair like so, so that all you see right here is the crosshair from Crosshair X. Okay, now let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it's pretty centered. All right, that's basically it. If you want to turn it off, Shift Alt plus Z. There you go. It's gone. Shift Alt plus Z. It's back again. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.